Now next nomenclature method is there. Third one, IUPAC system. IUPAC system, or it can be also called as IUPAC, whatever you like. So in IUPAC system, from alkane, E of the alkane are replaced by OL. So we get alkanol. So alcohols are considered as alkanol. E of the alkane are replaced by OL. So we get the alkanol. If we take an example of one carbon containing alcohol, so CH3OH, one carbon. So if you observe, this is the one carbon containing which alkane is there? Methane. So from methane, E replaced by OL. So what is the name? Methanol. Methanol is the IUPAC name for CH3OH. If we take a second example, two carbon containing alcohol, CH3CH2OH. So here these are the two carbon containing alkane. Which two carbon containing alkane is there? Ethane. So from ethane, E replaced by OL, that is ethanol. Now next example, three carbon containing alcohol is there. If you write carbon skeleton of three carbon containing alcohol, if the OH group is attached to the carbon number 1, then remaining valency complete by hydrogen will get its structural formula. So this is three membered chain, three carbon containing chain, means propane derivative. So propane at carbon number 1, this OH group is present, ending OL. So number is written before the suffix OL. Okay, so from 3 carbon onwards the number is required. So this number is written before the suffix OL in this name of the alcohol. If we take again one more example, if we take again 3 carbon containing chain and the OH group is attached to this carbon atom, then if we number the chain from both sides, which get the same number to this carbon atom, number 2. From this side also 1, 2, 3. Now remaining valency of the carbon complete by the hydrogen, it gives its structural formula. Now write its IUPAC name. Again this chain containing 3 carbon atom, means it is propane derivative. So propane at position 2, OH group is there. So 2OL, propane 2OL or propane 2ol is its IUPAC name. If we see one more example, that is 4 carbon containing alcohol. Arrange 4 carbon in straight chain, and if OH group is attached to the carbon number 1, remaining valency complete by hydrogen, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. So 4 carbon containing chain, that is butane derivative, at carbon number 1 the OH group is attached. So this number 1 is written before the suffix OL. So its name is butane 1-ol or OL, butane 1-ol. Okay. Now one more example is there. If we write this 4 carbon and in which the OH group is attached to this carbon atom. Now complete the valency by hydrogen. You write these examples with me also in your notebook and prepare notes with these lectures and which is useful for your study. So if we complete the tetravalency of each carbon by hydrogen, we'll get its structural formula. So what is IUPAC name for this compound? So number the chain which gets the minimum possible number to this carbon. So if we number from this side, it gets number 2. If we number from this side, 1, 2, 3. 3 number is the greater number than 2. So from this side, this numbering is correct one. So it is a 4 carbon containing chain. So what's its name? Again, it is a butane alkane derivative. At a position 2, OH group is there. So butane 2 or OH. Now if we arrange these 4 carbons like this way, these 3 carbons in straight chain and 1 carbon in branch chain, and to this ending carbon OH group is attached. Now remaining valency of each carbon completed by the hydrogen will get its structural formula. Now number the chain from the side which gets lowest possible number to the carbon to which OH group is attached. So this is 3 carbon containing chain. At a position 2, methyl group is the substituent group or branched chain, and OH group is present at carbon number 1. So 3 carbon containing alkane derivative propane, at position 1 OH group is there, 1 OL, and before that this substituent group is written. So at position 2 this methyl group is there, so we can write its IUPAC name as 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Okay. Now next one, again we can take 4 carbon skeleton compound in which OH group is attached to this carbon atom. So remaining valency, now remaining valency complete by hydrogen, will get its structural formula. So give the IUPAC name for this compound. Now first rule, number the chain which gets minimum possible number to the carbon which is attached with the OH group. So if we number from this side, it get carbon number 2. If we number from this side, again it is carbon number 2. So this is 3 carbon containing straight chain to which this methyl and OH groups are substituent groups. Means how to write the IUPAC name for this compound. So at position 2 methyl group is there and 3 carbon containing chain in which OH group is present at second position. So what's its IUPAC name? So at carbon 2 methyl group is there, so 2-methyl 3 carbon containing chain propane, and at position 2 OH group is there, so propane 2-OL, so 2-methyl propane 2-OL. So these are some examples of alcohols named according to IUPAC system. If we take some cyclic alcohols, that is if we take a cyclobutane, this is cyclobutane and to which OH group is attached. So always it numbered this carbon number 1 to which OH group is attached. So how to write its IUPAC name? So this is cyclobutane to which OH group is attached, so it is cyclobutane cyclobutane E replaced by OL, so cyclobutanol. Okay, now if you take one more example, if this is the what's its name, cyclopentane, to which here OH group is attached and here CH3 group is attached, then what's its IUPAC name? So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Again we number this cyclic ring from this side. So at position 2 methyl group is there, so 2 methyl cyclopentane with OH, that is cyclopentanol. Cyclopentane E replaced by OL, cyclopentanol. If we take one more example, if cyclopentane is there, again attached to one OH and one ethyl group is there, so what is, give its IUPAC name. So at position carbon number 1 and 2, here 3, 4, 5 is there, so at carbon number 1 OH group and at carbon number 2 ethyl group is there. So how to write its IUPAC name? 2-ethyl cyclopentanol, pentane E replaced by OL. Okay, so these are some cyclic alcohols and they are named according to IUPAC system. Okay, so cycloalkanol, and here we complete the part of the nomenclature of alcohols.